Do you have a pet that's prone to ear infections? Are you feeling frustrated with going back and forth to the vet clinic for the same problem and the infection keeps coming back? In this short video, I'm going to cover what you need to know about ear infections and how to treat them naturally. We're going to cover the different ear infection signs you may see, what causes dog and cat ear infections, and how to use natural remedies to treat ear infections. Hey, pet parents, I'm Dr. Katie Woodley, founder of The Natural Pet Doctor. I'm a holistic veterinarian who's on a mission to help pets thrive naturally by empowering pet parents like you. If you're excited to learn more about how you can help your pets achieve optimal health, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. New videos post every week, so make sure you hit the bell to receive notifications so you never miss out on any of our new content. You can also check out more of our free content at thenaturalpetdoctor.com. Unfortunately, ear infections are too common for our dogs and cats, but especially for dogs. So, what are some of the dog and cat ear infection signs you may notice? You may notice ear pain, your pet shaking their head excessively, scratching and digging at their ear with their paw. There may also be funky odors that you smell and even see black, waxy discharge or even pus coming from their ear. There are many different causes for ear infections, and they are not always the same, even if your pet has had an ear infection before. Some of the common types of ear infections are bacterial or yeast overgrowths. These are typically secondary to inflammation in the ear canal that's caused by food sensitivities or environmental allergies. Make sure to watch our previous video on testing that you can do to rule out and diagnose what may be leading to inflammation in your pet. At this time of year, many dogs are getting foreign bodies, specifically foxtails or grass seeds in their ears, which cause irritation and inflammation that lead to secondary infections. This is why it's important for your veterinarian to look down the ear to rule out a grass seed. Many pet parents are worried that their pet has ear mites when they see black or yeasty discharge. However, ear mites are actually quite rare in dogs. They're more common in cats. So if you see this type of wax in your cat and their ears are really itchy, make sure you take them to the vet so they can do an ear swab to rule out ear mites, since the treatment needs to be adjusted. Another thing to keep in mind is that most ear infections are not contagious to other pets. The only contagious infection is ear mites, so you don't need to worry about your pets passing their infection to others in the household unless ear mites are present, which is less likely compared to a malassezia or a yeast infection. Now, if you found this information helpful so far, make sure to check out our Holistic Pet Wellness Guide, which is over 50 pages of how to help your dog and cat thrive throughout all their life stages, covering nutrition, wellness care, and other natural remedies you can use. Get it in the link below. We know that your pet has an infection, so now how can we treat it? First, we need to clean the ears. There are quite a few natural options that we can use, ranging from apple cider vinegar, aloe vera juice, and even witch hazel. One of my favorite homemade natural ear cleaning remedies is to take 2 cups brewed green tea, cooled, remove the tea bag, 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar, and 5 drops of calendula tincture. Put them all together and mix it, then use a syringe to put 1 to 3 mils into your pet's vertical ear canal. Massage the base of the ear. You want to hear the liquid squishing around. And then let your pet shake their head and wipe out any excess discharge with a soft cloth or cotton balls. And continue that until there's no waxy debris left. Next, you want to use a natural remedy to treat the yeast or bacterial infection and also help with the inflammation. A super simple natural remedy for an ear infection, whether it's bacteria, yeast, or you need to just reduce inflammation, is to use a combination of essential oils diluted with colloidal silver and distilled water or green tea. To make this natural ear treatment, take a 1-ounce spray bottle, Add 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops copaiba, and 5 drops frankincense essential oil. And you can check the links below for companies that we trust and love for essential oils that are safe for your pets. And then, of course, top it up with 1 tablespoon colloidal silver and then fill it with distilled water or cooled brewed tea, which has natural anti-inflammatory properties. You can spray this onto the ear flap and folds 2 to 3 times a day until the ear infection is gone. And don't forget to clean the waxy debris every day before applying the spray to help resolve the ear infection faster. As always, if your pet is not doing well with this or the infection is not going away, please seek the advice of your veterinarian. Using natural remedies can be a great way to avoid excessive vet visits, drugs that can come with side effects like hearing loss, and empower you as a pet parent to help your pet so that they feel their best. Make sure you're doing all you can to figure out why the ear infection happened in the first place, or else you'll fall into the vicious cycle of the ear infection coming back over and over again, which can be super frustrating. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and hit the button to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our future content. As always, I love hearing from pet parents like you. So if you have other pet health topics you'd like to hear about, make sure to leave a comment down below. As always, you have the power to help your pet live a long and vibrant life. Together, we can make the change that's needed to help your fur family thrive naturally. Until next time, I'm Dr. Katie. Take care, pet parents.